First of all, looking you're lovely.
Thank
Tell
you.
us about your attire.
Well, this collection from Craftsvilla, like you can see, is very strange that I'm talking to you, but I'm looking at it. But this collection is very wearable. It's comfortable. It's casual, and it looks stylish as well. I think all the girls out there would want to dress up like this summer because it's really hot outside. We're in AC now, but it's really hot outside. So wearing something like this is cool and comfortable and very nice looking. I think it looks really stylish, fashionable.
The Craftsvilla is always known for its Indian attire. Always, you will see always you will see the Indian touch in it.
Yes.
So what do you like to say about it?
I'm glad to be associated with it today because Craftsvilla is known for its Indian and its ethnic wear as well as its Western wear. So both of them, and I think Indian women are women who can wear both. You can wear traditional and look nice, and you can wear Western and look nice as well. I think we're the few women in the world who can pull off both looks really nicely. So I'm glad to be associated with a brand that does both. So yes, this is kind of Indo-Western. What I'm wearing right now, it's not extremely traditional. So it has like influences of both.
So in real life, what do you prefer more, Western or Indian? Because in video you have said gown or sari.
Yeah, oh my god, he's the best talker, I always tell him. Best talker, but I don't know, it depends what you're going for. And usually the character that I'm playing in a movie, that somehow becomes your personal style for that amount of time. So sometimes, mostly, like if I'm doing a South movie, it's usually Indian, and then I end up wearing like a bindi and kurta or something like that. But if it's a red carpet, then maybe gowns. I really like wearing gowns, but I love wearing saris also. But in a day-to-day basis, I think something like this is comfortable and looks stylish as well, because you can't wear a gown or a sari if you're going for a movie or if you're just going out of your house for a meeting or something. That would be a little strange.
She is also known for a style icon for the youth. So what do you like to say or any tips? Because nowadays,
Thank you.
nowadays more hot is that. So
Uh,
what do you like to give
tips?
Any tips?
Yeah, I think you can choose comfortable fabrics, natural fabrics like cotton, and avoid wearing synthetic stuff because you'd burst out into rashes maybe. And just keep cool, and like I said, on usual daily basis, you can't be wearing very elaborate things nowadays, and people like wearing casual stuff, and casual stuff that's trendy and comfortable. If you can do that and be ethnic as well, there's nothing like it. So
Shraddha, what two things you carry in summer?
what two things I carry in summer?
Yeah. Summer.
Water bottle and a smile on my face to combat with the very hot sun outside.
So what is your style to statement of color?
Style statement, I don't have one particular style statement. I think that is my thing. I
Because
blend
you follows you,
into.
that's right.
So I'm someone who likes to blend into whatever I'm doing. So if it's a movie, I listen to what the director has in mind. If it's a fashion show like this, I like to listen to what the stylist has in mind, and I like to keep my mind open. I think that's how you can experiment, looking different each time. Otherwise, you end up looking the same if you have one statement. So I don't have a statement.
Okay, apart from this, what's in pipeline?
Lots of stuff happening, lots of stuff. But I think let things start, and then
Because recently you have shoot for PETA, right?
yes. You ask him about my updates. He knows everything. He knows where I'm going tomorrow also. If you ask him, he knows with flight time, everything he knows. But there's lots of stuff happening. But I think let things happen and then we talk.
And as a celebrity, recently Abhay Deol has said that celebrities should not endorse the finance cream. So what is your take on it?
I think in the West, there are tanning salons that are there, and the grass is always greener on the other side. So, I'm a shade of light brown. I'm Indian, and I'm very proud of my color. So, I would just like to say that I am very proud of it. It's very difficult for me to talk about a generalization of the entire women of the entire India, because all of us Indians have different shades of brown. So, I think whatever your skin color externally, in your head, if you're not if you don't have too many complexes, you can be a very happy person. So for me, I'm very happy with my shade of light brown. I don't use, in my personal life, I don't use any whitening skin creams. But in the West, like I said, if you know, there are so many tanning salons and they love brown skin. They go through a lot to start looking brown. They tan themselves in the sun. Like here, we hide from the sun and we keep umbrellas. But the grass is always greener on the other side.
So are you attending DIFA in New York?
I'm not sure. It's in June or July, no? June. Maybe. I don't know about my May dates yet.
Because you have
So,
attended Hyderabad.
I did attend Hyderabad right now. Yes, I performed last year as well. So maybe. All right.
As a celebrity recently,
Controversial is coming. I can feel it. Huh? Ask.
Sonu Nigam tweeted about Azan and loudspeaker.
What is this? I don't even know this. What is?
He gets irritated because of Azan is playing nearby his
Mainly,
house.
that loudspeaker should not be
Okay.
used and God house.
And lot
Okay.
of people are reacting on
About
it.
loudspeaker.
Yeah. He's saying
I don't-
I'm not a Muslim, so why should I get up by Azan?
Okay. Okay. I didn't know. Thank you for the. I don't read. I didn't read this in the papers or on Twitter, but no, I don't think I should be commenting on loudspeakers. But my mind is very peaceful and shant, so I'm in a very happy place right now.
So is it right, like his tweet is right? Comment on
It's very wrong for one human to judge another human because I don't know what that person thinks in his head. And I've been brought up by my parents. They've told me don't judge someone. Like don't say this one said this so that about him. And so I think judging someone is very wrong without knowing the entire facts of a story. So I don't want to comment.
According to you, is it the right to play Azan on speaker?
Is it right to play Azan on speaker? I'm not the moral police of playing Azan. That's not my job. I'm an actor and today modeling clothes. So it's my duty to look nice in the clothes that I'm wearing. And as an actor, I better know my dialogues and act really well. I think if we all put our minds to the professions that we are given, the world would be a very beautiful place to live in. And I'm working towards that personally. Thank you. Thank you.